Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different artifacts. Let's begin with the first one. For this one you may require some of the bamboo sticks here. 4 in number are used and in a crisscross manner we are wrapping some thread over these two sticks one after the another. Once you are done with it you just have to remove the sticks and then you just have to stitch it together. The two ends are to be stitched so that a flower shape is created. These look so good. Let's now move further towards another activity. For this one here we are taking different colors of the yarn and we are fixing them together over this plate, and a hole is created at the center, and we are building all these threads one after the another over the hole that we have created. After that you just have to tie them together, then remove the plate and you can see this beautiful friendship band is ready. It looks so good and so easy. Let's now move towards another activity. For this one, we have already made a stencil over which we are wrapping down some of these muffler that are just made from the velvet. One after the another, we are going towards the upwards direction as shown here. You just have to repeat the same in the reverse direction, and again you just have to pull it towards the opposite direction, and then you can tie them together as we have done here. This is very simple and very easy. Definitely give this one a try. Let's now move forward towards another activity. For this one, the fork is taken and then you can see how we are taking the yarn and wrapping it around from all the ends, and in between we are making use of the needle so that we can sew it properly. Now once we are done with it you just have to open it, then fix them properly with the help of the thread and the needle in the shape of this type of the flower. At the center we are placing a pom-pom. It looks so good. Let's move further towards another activity. We are taking this yarn and you can see how we are just wrapping it around our fingers. After that we are trimming some rest of the area. Once we are done with it you just have to comb it properly and then you just have to trim it according to the proper shape. Here we are taking some of the clay and we are just inserting him at the center. It's representing that cartoon character of Gully Gully Sim Sim. Let's move further towards another activity. For this one again we are taking the yarn and this is the multicolored yarn, and then we are just trying to build it over this straight line that's at the center. You just have to repeat this process until you are able to create these type of the feathers. It looks so good and so easy. Definitely give this one a try. Trim it accordingly. Let's now move further towards another activity. Here we take this cup, disposable plate, and then we are just wrapping all the thread over it one after the another. We are repeating the same process. You can see with the help of the earbud we are just trying to build it in the circular shape. This activity is again very simple. It's best suitable for all. You can definitely give this one a try. It's cheaper activity. All you need is some of the thread, or you may require earbud or any other needle so that you can fill it in the circular direction. Let's move further towards another activity. You can see we have placed some of the thread strands over this box, and in between we are taking some of the bamboo needles and we are trying to build it together. You just have to repeat it with the help of the comb. You just have to pull it towards the downward direction. Just repeat it again. Some multiple color type of the looks. Now at the end you just have to open this box and just your thing is ready. Let's move further towards another activity. You just have to make some of the cuttings over the circumference and you just have to build the thread in this star shape one after the another. First we have made use of the blue color. After that we are using this red color yarn and you can see how we are fixing it in anti-clockwise direction. Thank you for watching.